As a content creator, I'm always running out of storage space. I always have my phone with me as my primary thing that I use for unboxing, making videos such as this, photos, everyday life things. But I'm always running out of space, and it is really expensive if you want to just upgrade your storage. It's not interchangeable. You have to upgrade to the latest phone that will cost you $2,000s, $3,000s of dollars, crazy amount. But I have a solution for you, and it's from our good friends at MSI. MSI has made this DATAMAG SSD portable storage, and it connects via USB-C. But it's not only for your phone as well. If you have, many versions of Call of Duty, for example, you're always running out of space, you can connect this to your Xbox or PlayStation consoles as well, and maybe even some future consoles as well. It will also work on Android phones as well. You just connect it via USB-C and it'll give you additional storage. This small but compact device gives you 1 terabyte of storage. It is also available in 2 terabytes as well. But what if I told you that there's also another key feature for iPhone users out there? iPhone has a high profile for video, and it's called ProRes. But as you can see, if you click on it here, it's not enabled, and you need an external SSD device to unlock it. Well, this device right here will do that for you. Just simply connect it to your phone. You're able to not only select ProRes Max, but you also can select the log version as well. And you can see that it is actually connected via USB-C at the bottom here. And it will also tell you how much max time you have. As you can see, this is the max time right here, and that is quite a big file right there. All right, this is what comes in the DATAMAG Magnet Portal SSD. Of course, like I said, this is the 1 terabyte version. It comes with the DATAMAG itself. It actually has its very own MagSafe on it as well. It's also good news for people who don't have MagSafe on their phones or even device, but I'll get to that in just a minute. It also comes with a USB as well, USB to USB-C adapter for your consoles. Also comes with a cord as well. Comes with an extended cord as well. And for those who, like I mentioned, who didn't have MagSafe, it actually comes with not only 1, but it comes with 2 MagSafes. Basically adapter, I guess. Comes in black and in white for your color preference as well. So like I mentioned before, the DATAMAG works very well, not only on your phones or PC, it actually works well with your gaming console. I have an Xbox Series S right over here, and of course it comes with 2 USBs in the back and also USB in the front as well. But if you wanted to, you could just use this adapter right here and plug it in, and then use the cord right over here and just plug this in, and then basically use this as extra storage as 1 terabyte. Just keep in mind, you'll have to reformat the SSD for it to work with your consoles. So there you have it. The DATAMAG is perfect for not only content creators who want to save their work, transfer very quickly to your PC, or like I said, just have extra storage out there. But if you are someone who takes a lot of photos when you're going on trip and you worry about running out of space, you could carry this with you, just throw it in your luggage, or have it in the back of your phone at all times, and just honestly unlock the potential of not only your iPhone, but unlock the potential of your storage as well. So I highly recommend you checking out the MSI DATAMAG. It's available right now in 1 terabyte and in 2 terabytes. As always, everyone, have yourself a good one.